Hello everybody. Ano po ba yung pangwalong duty and responsibility ng isang accredited pollution control officer? Siyempre, mababasa natin yan sa Section 10 ng DAO 2014-02 or the Revised Guidelines for PCO accreditation. Sabi po sa item number 8 ng Section 10 of DAO 2014-02, the duty and responsibility of an accredited PCO, I read and I quote, monitor compliance to the requirements specified in the Environmental Compliance Certificate and the commitments stipulated in the Environmental Management and Monitoring Plans or Environmental Performance Report and Management Plans and report the same in the Compliance Monitoring Report. So, ang isa pong pollution control officer, kung nagre-represent po ito ng isang project na mayroong environmental compliance certificate, kailangan niyang makabisa yung pong mga conditions, requirements na nakasulat po sa Environmental Compliance Certificate or ECC. Ang mga compliance po sa mga conditions o requirement ng ECC, inire-report po ito sa DNR-EMB semi-annually, kadalasan every July 15 at saka January 15. It's the responsibility of the pollution control officer to ensure compliance to the conditions or requirements indicated in the Environmental Compliance Certificate. Kadalasan, ang isang Environmental Compliance Certificate, meron po yung project description. At sa project description, naka-indicate po dyan ang covered project, yung area covered, or yung production capacity. So kung ano po ang nakalagay doon sa project coverage or limits sa project description, siguruhin ng PCO na nandun lang sa coverage na yon or limit na yon. So whenever there are expansions or modifications sa project coverage or limits, kailangan ng PCO makapag-secure ng amendment ng ECC. Ganon din sa mga components ng project, kung ano po yung mga support facilities ng project na ito, kung ano yung mga services, kung ano yung mga technology or equipment covered by this ECC. Kung magkakaroon ng differences, magkakaroon ng changes, major changes, kailangan magkaroon ng amendment. So, basically, iba't ibang conditions ang makikita mo o requirements sa ECC. Merong mga construction requirements, pag-i-install ng mga treatment facilities. May mga requirements or condition ng pag-set up ng environmental unit. May mga condition or requirement ng pag-install ng mga bulletin. So, kailangan basahin ng isang PCO yung kanyang ECC at makabisa kung ano yung mga condition or requirement. And as an accredited PCO, ensure compliance to those conditions or requirements indicated in the ECC, including the commitments as indicated in the environmental management and monitoring plans or applicable documents. So that's the duty and responsibility of the PCO, pangwalo. And I hope natutunan natin kung paano mag-perform ng function ang isang pollution control officer. Thank you very much everyone, and kung gusto niyo pang matutunan yung pang-siyam na duty and responsibility ng isang accredited PCO, please subscribe to this channel. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much, and mabuhay tayong lahat.